Assalamu alaikum all viewers and dear students. Once again Maqbool Islam is in front of you. Today we are proceeding to the topic of use implicit rule to find the second derivative of the following function in the exercise 4.1 from the second year book. Part C, question number 2, x square plus y square is equal to r square. Find the second derivative. Double prime means second derivative. So this equation is implicit rule because x and y are involved at a time, and here implicit rule. Now differentiating with respect to x on both sides of the equation, of the above equation, dy by dx x square plus y square is equal to dy by dx r square. Now we are apply here individually. Here dy by dx x square plus dy by dx y square is equal to dy by dx r square. Now according to the power rule, here we have power rule, power or exponent rule. If any function y is equal to x power n, so if we are finding y dash, so nx n minus 1, and for the derivative of x we are using this formula. So here we get here 2x plus 2y and dy by dx is equal to, here with respect to x ये कांस्टेंट वैल्यू है आर स्क्वायर, इधर x की मौजूद नहीं है, x मौजूद नहीं है, लिहाजा ये इसकी डेरिवेटिव क्या हो जाएगा, 0 हो जाएगा. अब क्या करेंगे, अब ये -2, ये 2x इधर चेंज करते हैं, तो 2y dy by dx is equal to -2x and dividing both side by 2y dy by dx is equal to -2x divided by 2y. So both are cancelled here, 2 cancel, we get here -x divided by y. So dy by dx or y first prime both are same, so -x divided by y. This is the value of first derivative. Now we are finding second derivative, again differentiating with respect to x. Again differentiating with respect to x on both sides of the equation. So we can write here d by dx and dy by dx is equal to dy by dx minus x divided by y. Now look here, we can write d square y divided by dx square. So the dx x r square, not dx square. So यहाँ पर क्या होता है, यहाँ पर इस पर हमने क्वोशिएंट रूल, डिवीजन रूल का इस्तेमाल करना है, तो माइनस को मैंने आउटसाइड कर दिया. इस बार क्वोशिएंट रूल का इस्तेमाल करता हूँ, dy by dx minus x and dy by dx divided by y square. नेक्स्ट है हमारे पास इसका आता है dy by d square by dx square is equal to minus x dy by dx. Here we can write here dy and x derivative, y and x derivative, here is x and x derivative, we get here 1 minus x, and the result of dy by dx we have already found here. The result is this. We put here in the place of this result minus x divided by y square. Now we can simplify this result. Y minus minus plus x multiplied by x y divided by y square. y square. Now we take here the LCM. So y is the LCM, y multiplied by y square plus x square divided by y square. We can write here this result. Now minus x square y square, we have already x square y square, we get to r square divided by, in the place of this result, x square plus y square is equal to r square, already given in the question. We replace x square plus y square is equal to r square. So y and y square divided by, so we get that is the reciprocal y cube. So we get the result minus r square divided by y cube is the required question. Y square minus 2xy is equal to 0. Y double dash we are finding. So we are differentiating with respect to x on both sides of the equation to get here's dy by dx y square minus 2xy is equal to dy by dx 0. So open the brackets, apply this derivative dy by dx y square minus 2 is constant, dy by dx x and y is equal to, and here the derivative is 0. Now here we are using the power rule 2 and 2 minus 1, and further derivative of y dy by dx minus 2, and here we are using product rule u dot v. According to the rule, x and dy by dx plus and y derivative of with respect to x and the first function is equal to 0. Now simplify, we get 2 minus 1 2y dy by dx minus 2, and here dy by dx plus y and x derivative we get here 1 is equal to 0. 2y dy by dx Now next step, here we are solving 2y dy by dx minus 2, multiply this result, minus 2x dy by dx minus 2y is equal to 0. Now we take common here, 2 and 2 also common, 2 dy by dx are common, and here we get y minus x minus 2y is equal to 0. We change here this result, 2 dy by dx y minus x is equal to 2y, dividing both sides by 2 and y minus x, dy by dx is equal to 2y divided by 2 and 2y minus x. So this will be cancelled. We get the answer y divided by y minus x. Now we are needed second derivative, again differentiating with respect to x. Again we are differentiating with respect to x, and the first derivative, this function dy by dx, dy by dx and dy by dx is equal to minus is common, dy by dx y divided by y minus x. We are using here quotient rule. So we can write here d square y dx square, means here that is the second derivative is equal to minus, here we are using quotient rule, division rule, u divided by v rule here we are using, means here v and u dash minus v dash u and v dash divided by v square according to this rule, and here we are using y minus x and derivative of dy by d is dy minus and y derivative of y minus x divided by y minus x whole square. Y double dash is equal to minus y minus x dy by dx. Dy by dx, we put here this result, or we are taking here common. First we simplify this result, minus dy by dx plus minus minus plus xy and derivative of x and derivative dy by dx, y dy by dx and minus minus plus y and derivative of x is equal to 1. So y minus x whole square. आगे इसको सिंप्लीफाई करना है, y डबल डैश इज इक्वल टू माइनस x minus y dy by dx. We are taking common from here, dy by dx अगर कॉमन कर ले तो dy by dx कॉमन, एंड हेयर हमारे पास आता है y minus x minus y plus y divided by y minus x whole square. So y minus x minus cancel, and we put here the value of dy by dx is equal to y divided by minus y divided by x. So minus, and here we put the value of here dy by dx minus y divided by y minus x into minus x plus y divided by y minus x whole square is equal to minus, we take here LCM, minus minus plus xy and plus y into y minus x and divided by y minus x whole cube. This y minus x, if we take the LCM of this one and multiply in this one, we get here power 3. Y minus x, we get the power 3. Now if we are multiply this one, xy minus y square minus xy divided by y minus x whole cube, we get here plus y square divided by xy minus x whole cube, that is the y double dash prime. Ex plus x is equal to e power y plus, then y dash is unknown. We are differentiating with respect to x on both sides of this equation, dy by dx e power x plus x and dy by dx e power y plus y. So dy by dx e power x plus dy by dx is equal to dy by dx e power y plus dy by dx. Now e power x, as we know that the formula e power x is equal to ex and derivative of x is equal to 1 plus, and x derivative is 1 is equal to e power y and further derivative of y dy by dx plus dy by dx. Now dy by dx is common, e power x plus 1 is equal to dy by dx e power y plus 1. Now dy by dx is equal to e power x plus 1 divided by e power y plus 1. That is the first derivative y first prime. Now again differentiating with respect to x on both sides of this equation. So we are using here quotient rule, u divided by v form. So y double dash is equal to here e power y plus 1 and dy by dx e power x plus 1 minus e power x plus 1 divided by dx e power y plus 1 divided by e power y plus 1 whole square. This is the quotient rule we are using here. Y double dash is equal to e power y plus 1 and derivative of ex and one derivative is 0 minus ex plus 1 and derivative of e power y and dy by dx and plus 1 derivative 0 divided by e power y plus 1 whole square. So y double prime is equal to e power y plus 1 e power x minus e power x plus 1 and dy by e power y and dy by dx. We put this result e power x plus 1 and e power y plus 1. This result is divided by e power y plus 1 whole square. Y double dash is equal to e power x plus 1 into e power x e power y plus 1 e power x minus e power x plus 1 into e power x y into e power x plus into e power y e power x multiply on both of this term e power y e power x e power y and divided by e power y plus 1 divided by e power y plus 1 whole square. Now e power y we multiplied here, e power y taking LCM e power x and this LCM multiply by e power y plus 1 minus e power x plus 1 into e power x plus y plus e power y divided by this result and this result both are same. We can write e power y plus 1 whole cube. Now we multiply this result e power x e power y plus 1 whole square minus e power x both are multiply this result. These results are multiplied. So minus e power x plus 1 into e power x plus y plus e power y divided by e power y plus 1 whole cube. Sir, this is the second derivative. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends. Once again for watching.